Hey guys, welcome to the video. We are cleaning the cold air intake on the Jeep Grand Cherokee. It is a K&N Air Filter. You can either buy the cleaning kit from K&N Air Filter, which will make this almost brand new. So we'll just take it off. We will put it through some water with the cleaning solution, and then we'll wait and let it dry. And then we'll put on the oil, the red oil that you're all very familiar with. Let it dry, and we'll put it back on, and then we should be good to go there. But make sure you allow it to dry before you put on the oil, or it will shoot back into your engine, and you do not want water into your engine intake. So I'm not responsible of anything that happens as far as water damage to your engine. As a disclaimer, I'm just showing you the steps and procedures of how to go about cleaning your own. With that, we'll get started. Basically, there's one bolt that you need to take off, but it does allow you to have a flathead. So you just want to go ahead and take off this air filter. So once you have loosened it enough to where you can move it, move the clamp, you should be good to go. A little thing with my Jeep Grand Cherokee, this part does stick out a little bit, so I will have to finagle it up and out. So it shouldn't be this tough, but yet on this model it happens to be that way, so just keep that in mind. So here's the air filter. It is fairly dirty, but you also can see the red oil in here. Okay, so here's the air filter. We want to go ahead and spray this with the K&N Air Filter. The first step, we want to start at the seam, go 360 degrees on it, and then on the inside. You do not want to use a hose attachment, as it will break the fibers and will not work for the K&N Air Filter. You want to use running water, very low pressure, get it all the way in and around it. Leave it to dry. Make sure it dries before you put on the oil for the next step. So I've already sprayed this. I'm going to spray it in a little bit more areas that I missed, and we should be good to go.
If you guys would, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and smash that subscribe button, because 98% of you are not subscribed, and you're missing out on great content like this.
Okay, so then you'll basically see that the air filter has lost most or all of its red oil from the beginning stage, and then you want to go ahead and let this thing dry. Okay, so basically when this thing is completely dry, you want to go ahead and use the air filter oil. You want to spray and lather it on, and make sure you do it on all the sides. If there's any spots that you miss, go ahead and redo it. Just lightly. Make sure you don't put too much on. You should be good to go. Thanks for watching the video. See you guys in the next one.